Yes, good morning. Morning ride. Going to where? I'm going to Kaybiang Tunnel. Coming from this Tanza, Cavite. So see you there. 30 kilometers ride. Yes. Great day. Been dreaming for this ride. Going to Kaybiang Tunnel several times and long ago, and I'm so glad that today I got the opportunity to cycle.
Alright, guys, we're now turning off Governor's Drive and entering Indang Road. This is where the ride starts to shift gears, literally and figuratively. From the flatter, busier stretch of Naic, we now head into the greener, quieter part of the route. The vibe here instantly changes. Less traffic, more trees, and that relaxing countryside feel. You'll start to feel a slight incline here, but it's still manageable. Perfect warm-up before the steeper climbs ahead.
All right, this is Antero Soriano Highway of Tanza, Cavite. So at this time, got to notice I'm not the only one who came up early, and already a lot of people already on the main road. Yeah, I got no chance to wake up too soon or too early, so I prepared to start cycling at daylight. Alright, this is Naic Cavite. Naic Cavite going to Kaybiang Tunnel. Yes. 25 kilometers to go. Yeah, now I see cyclists. I think they are also going to Kaybiang Tunnel. Can see them.
On this stretch, I usually slow down, enjoy the breeze, and prep myself mentally for the upcoming ascent to Kaybiang. If you're on a foldie like my Brompton, take your time, gear down, stay steady. It's a great time to hydrate, stretch your legs a bit, and soak in the views. You're now officially out of the urban buzz and into cycling.
Yeah, come on, Brompton. Let's go, don't fail me. Yeah, I'm hearing some noise in my gearing, and I have to stop for a while and have to. Okay, I'm still here at Governor's Drive, main road in Naic Cavite. Now I'm seeing some runners now. Maragondon. Yep. Welcome to Maragondon.
And here we are, welcome to Maragondon. Passing through this
Alright,
always
passing
feels
Maragondon.
good. It's like a checkpoint for cyclists heading to Kaybiang Tunnel. From here, you'll start to feel the climb gradually creeping in. The roads get narrower, the traffic lighter, and the scenery way better.
I'm seeing a squeezing sound or squeaking sound in the bottom bracket. Maragondon. Yes, this is Master Takusa. Now I'm in the barangay of Maragondon.
I've been hearing this squeaking sound coming from the bottom bracket area. especially during climbs, however, still can make it. I think it's either the bearings or just needs a bit of grease. But since I'm already out here, the best thing I can do is just keep pedaling steady, avoid unnecessary pressure on the cranks, and maybe shift gears more smoothly.
Okay, he's still on the Governor's Drive.
We're now turning onto Captain Rillo Street, and this is where things start to get real. From here, it's a slow grind toward the Puerta Azul climbs, a steady uphill with tight curves, forest views, and that quiet, isolated feel. The traffic thins out, the air feels cooler, and you'll really start hearing your own breathing and maybe your bottom bracket too.
Oh my! This is 11% grade. 11%. Woo. You can see on the GPS. Okay, this is a looks like it's a long hill climb. Wow, my heart is bumping to 160. More climb. Okay, 291 meters.
Quick stop spotted some fresh buco along Governor's Drive, and I just couldn't resist. After all that pedaling, nothing beats the taste of cold, sweet coconut water. Super refreshing and perfect for rehydration.
Come on. Whew. So now I guess this will be the last line. Coming across.
Just passed by Puerta Azul, and as expected, there are a lot of cyclists hanging around. This area has become a popular rest stop for riders heading to or coming back from Kaybiang Tunnel. It's a great spot to cool down, grab a quick snack, or just catch your breath after the climb.
5%. Yeah. Yeah, downhill. Yeah, so exciting. Hey, the best part. Yeah. Look at the forest. Yeah, 107 meters to finish the climb. Distance to go, 2 kilometers. Here in Maragondon. Oh, the climbs here is long and heavy. I can feel the strain in my legs, but still fighting, going. Go. Look at the monkeys. Yeah, beautiful monkey. I see many monkeys moving around, and I will show you on the. You can see it on some on my video clips once I finish editing it. You know what? When I'm riding solo and I'm trying to challenge myself doing all this climb, sometimes I'm asking myself, why am I doing this? Yes, in this clip, again, I will be thanking God for creating this wonderful nature.
I'm now approaching Kaybiang Tunnel, and I can finally feel the downhill slope starting to kick in. After all those climbs and turns, this part feels like a reward. The road starts to ease up, the breeze gets cooler, and you can just relax your legs a little. That feeling of knowing the tunnel is just around the bend, it's always something special. Almost there, let's enjoy this last stretch before the iconic tunnel view comes in.
Have to slow down to see this beautiful nature. Look at that. Look at the scenery. No need to speed up. Just live the moment. Arriving to the infamous Kaybiang Tunnel. Yeah. Here we go. Oh. Finally.
Finally made it. I'm here at Kaybiang Tunnel. After all the climbs, sweat, and spinning, this moment always feels worth it. Kaybiang Tunnel is the longest road tunnel in the Philippines, about 300 meters long, and connects Ternate, Cavite to Nasugbu, Batangas. It's not just a landmark, it's a rite of passage for cyclists in Luzon. Whether you're riding a road bike or a foldie like my Brompton, reaching this spot is a huge achievement. The journey getting here is no joke, a mix of scenic views, tough climbs, and peaceful roads. You'll usually find lots of bikers here taking photos, catching their breath, or just celebrating the ride, and honestly, it never gets old. Around Kaybiang Tunnel, you'll see a lot of street-side vendors selling snacks, drinks, and even fresh buko. It's the perfect place to grab a quick bite and rehydrate after the climb. You'll also spot some local photographers offering to take your photo with the tunnel as the backdrop, usually printed on the spot. It's become a bit of a tradition for cyclists and tourists alike. Leaving the cool shadows of Kaybiang Tunnel behind, I'm heading back, retracing the road that leads me home to Tanza, Cavite. After the winding paths and mountain views, it feels good to return to where the journey started.
And seems going to Kaybiang Tunnel is not easy. So yeah, have to be watchful in this road. So many fast vehicles passing by. And right. So this will be nearly the last waypoint. So hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hey everyone, this is Master Takuza. If you enjoyed this journey from Kaybiang Tunnel back to Tanza, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more adventures. Your support means a lot, and I've got plenty more stories and rides coming your way. See you on the next one.